Bitcoin Bandit.
I've been in the kitchen, wrist twisting like a trick shot. Most you rappers got no bars like a sim swap. E-girls dropping ass pics in my inbox. I just spent your whole rent check on a wristwatch. 1080 Ti in my system, yeah. I make your T-Mobile go missing, yeah. I hear respecting these women, yeah. She tell me her problems, I listen, yeah. I just pulled up in that foreign, made 50K off extortion, yeah. My Twitter, you couldn't afford it, no. My Egirl on Skype looking gorgeous. All your songs are getting 0 plays. Play a show and you get 0 pay. Jack your Twitter with a 0 day. YK on your face. I just pulled up on my shooters, hitting a lick on computers. Flexing E-girls on mine's cuter. And if she cheat on me, I root her, yeah. I've been in the kitchen, wrist twisting like a trick shot. Most you rappers got no bars like a sim swap. E-girls dropping ass pics in my inbox. I just spent your whole rent check on a wristwatch. Better see me in on a VPN with a key gem, bumping EDM in the IRC at like 3 p.m. It's in a botnet, it's your team again. Iced out, wrist freeze again, like the PC that I'm scheming in. I got DBs, don't need a friend. I got a keyboard, I don't need a pen. Cause I know Kate, I know Patrick, I know all of them. What's your handle, what's your Twitter, you don't follow them. Got your Addy, got your name, I got all of it. eBay on the phone when I call it in. I've been in the kitchen, wrist twisting like a trick shot. Most you rappers got no bars like a sim swap. E-girls dropping ass pics in my inbox. I just spent your whole rent check on a wristwatch.